ओम महागणपतये नमः। तृतीय श्लोकः, तृतीय ध्यान श्लोकः, द थर्ड ध्यान श्लोक फ्रॉम विष्णु सहस्रनाम। व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्तेः पौत्रमकल्मषं पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकतातं तपोनिधिं। पुनः व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्तेः पौत्रमकल्मषं पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकतातं तपोनिधिं. Now word by word meaning. Vyasam, Vyasanai, it is a Dvitiya Vibhakti. Rama Shabdaha eva, Vyasaha Vyaso Vyas, Ramam Ramau Ramaha, Ramam Ramau Raman, Ramam, Vyasam, Vyasanai, Him Vyasa is the Artha. Dvitiya Vibhakti, ordinary Rama Shabdaha eva, Prasiddha Shabdaha eva. It's ordinary, it's a famous Rama Shabdaha. Punlinga, Purushalinga, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Ekavachanam, Vyasanai. Vasishta Naptaram. Again, Dvitiya Vibhakti only the author uses. Naptaram means great grandson. Him, the great grandson. Naptru is the Shabdah. Like Datru. Napta, Naptarau, Naptaraha. Naptaram, Naptarau, Naptrun, Naptra, Naptribhyam, Naptribhihi, Naptre, Naptribhyam, Naptribhyah. Like that, the Shabda goes, I'm not explaining the full grammar. The Dvitiya Vibhakti is him. The Tritiya Naptra means by or with. Naptre means to. Chaturthi Vibhakti. Naptuhu, Naptrubhya means it is from or than. It is the Panchami. It is Panchami. And Shashti is Naptuhu means like Dhatuhu we have. It is of. It's a possessive case. And Naptari means it is in, on, amongst. It's a Saptami Vibhakti. So that is why everywhere you will find in the third verse the Dvitiya Vibhakti except in one case is being used. Naptaram, great grandsonai, Vasishta of Vasishta. So Vasishta Naptaram, the great grandson of Vasishta. Vasishtasya Naptaram itina bhavati. It's not there because it is understood on conjoinment. It becomes a lopaha there. The asya is not required. The shashti again for Vasishta is not required. So Vasishta Naptaram, the great grandson of Vasishta. Naptaram also means grandson, but contextually here it is great grandson. We will see that. Shaktehe. Now why Shaktehe? Now we will see. Shakti was the son of Vasishta. He was a very big Muni and he was actually during penance, he was killed by a Rakshasa in a forest. So Parasara was upset. That's how the story goes. Now Shakti, why not Shakti? Shakti is the Hari Shabdaha. Harihi Hari Harayaha, Harim Hari Harina, Harina Haribhyam Haribihi, Haraye Haribhyam Haribhyaha, Hare Haryoho, Harinam, like that it comes. Harehe Haryoho Harinam. Harehe, we have to use the Shashti because Panchami also Harehe Haribhyam Haribhyaha is there. So Shaktehe Shaktibhyam Shaktibhyaha or Shaktehe Shaktiyoho Shaktinam also you can say, but here it is only Shashti. Shaktehe Pautram. Because of the Shakti Muni Udaya Pautran. See, Pautraha is again, see, Pautram Akalmasham, we say. Pautram, Pautraha plus Akalmasham. Now, what is Pautraha? Pautraha is a grandson. Is a typical English word, grandson. Correct? We all understand. Shaktehe Pautraha. So Shakti Munivar's grandson. So that great grandson is Naptaram. So Shakti Munivar's Pautraha. Now Pautram, why? Pautram is again Dvitiya Vibhakti. Shaktehe Pautranai. Pautram, him. Him, the grandson of Shakti Munihi. So Pautram plus Akalmasham. So you have to split the word. Pautram, Akalmasham. Now what is Akalmasham? Is a beautiful Sanskritam word. Akalmasha is an adjective, means sinless, stainless, pavitram, no mistake whatsoever. So Akalmashanai, Dvitiya Vibhakti, him, the Akalmasham, Parasha Ratmajam. Now what is Parasha? Parasarar was a very great sage. He was a very great sage. He was the son of Shakti. Shakti Munivar and grandson of Vasishta, Parasharar, and a beautiful he has written lovely horary astrology, calculus. I have examined the calculus. I like mathematics. I have examined his calculus. It's wonderful. It's wonderful, and I do not know whether Newton himself copied from him. I do not know, because there was a lot of translations. We do not know all those things. But Parasharar, the beautiful advocate, the lovely advocate who argued for the Ramajanma Bhumi, Parasharan. So Parasharan Atma, his own Atma, Ja in Sanskrita means birth. Ajam means unborn. Atma is Ajam. Ajam and Arupi we say. So formless. So Atma is like that we say, no? So Jam again Dvitiya Vibhakti. Why Jam is again Dvitiya Vibhakti? The birth, who is that? Parasha Atma, the person who is born out of the Atma of Parasha Muni. That is, these people had great powers. They not through copulation between male and a female, but from his own Atma. Parasha Munivas, Parasha Ratmajam. Avanai, him who came out of the Atma of Parasharar, Parasha Muni. That is the understanding. Ja, always think Ajaha in Sanskrit means goat. So you have to be very careful about the visargas in Sanskrit. It has a lot of meanings. So Ja is always birth. Dvija, Shankaracharya always we address as Dvija Varya. Twice born. One is for the Upanayanam, the other is for the one is for the Namakaranam, Chudakaranam, and the other is the Upanayanam. So Parashar Atmajam. Parasharar's Atmalende Vandavar Atmajam. Now Vande is worshipping, but in Sanskritam the beauty of it is Vande is an Atmane Padinaha. We have Atmane Padinaha and Parasmai Padinaha. All Atmane Padinaha will end with Vande. Aham Vande, Avam Vandavahe, Vayam Vandamahe. Vi means Vayam. Vayam Vandamahe. Avam is duality. Tvam Vandase. Yuvam Vandethe, Yuyam Vandatve, Yuyam na ningallam, you all. So Saha if you want to use Saha Vandate, or Saha Tau if you want to use Vandete, Saha Tau Te if you want to say plural, they all means you can say Vandante. So the Vande is itself enough to explain I am worshipping. Whereas in worshipping in English, who is worshipping? I am worshipping, you are worshipping, they are worshipping, they too are worshipping. It is, that's why in computer we say the Sanskritam is an Uchita Bhasha, artificial intelligence. So, Vande means I am worshipping only. Now, Shuka Tatam. Shuka was a Muni. Now, Shukaha was the son of Vyasa Bhagavanudaya son. Shuka Tatam, Tata in Sanskrit means father. Whereas in Dravidian languages, it refers to grandfather. Tata, they say. But Tata, Hraswa Swaraha, Tata, Akaraha, Hraswa Akaraha, Tata ending. It plus A. So, Tatam automatically comes again to Dvitiya Vibhakti. And the Shukanudiya Maganai, him the son of Shuka, him Shukanudiya Appavai. I mean, Shuka Tatam. Tata means here father. So Shuka Muniva's fatherai. Shuka's Tata is Vyasa. So Shuka Tatam, him, the father of Shuka Muni. is Shukatatam. Now, Taponidhim. Taponidhim. See, Tapaha Nidhi. Tapaha means, penance, penance. And Nidhi means, treasure. So, when you conjoin like Ramaha Jayam, Ramo Jayam, it becomes in Sanskrita. So, Tapo Nidhim. Now, Nidhi is again conjugated into second Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Like Hari Shabda, Hari Hari, Hari, Hari Hari, Harayaha, Harim Hari, Harin, Nidhi Nidhi, Nidayaha, Nidhim Nidhi, Nidhin. That's why Nidhim has come. It is not Nidhihi. It is not Harihi. It is a Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. And Avanai, Yavanai, Tapaha, Nirainda, Trasharaga Irindavana. It is not Swarna. Swarna, more than that, this Tapaha is greater than Swarna. Nidhi is a treasure. The treasurai, Dvitiya Vibhakti, him who's the treasure of tapas, full of tapas. He is the treasure house of tapas. So now I will do the Anvaya. So Aham Vande, see, Aham is not here, please mind. Vande, I am worshipping him who is Taponitim, who is the treasure house of Tapaha, Taponitim. Aham Vande Taponitim. Akalmasham, Akalmashna, him who is Akalmasha in quality, in character, who is a sinless in character. Akalmasha, him, Avanai, sinless, Pavitranai, him, Akalmasha. And then he is whom? He is Shaktehe. He is Parashara Atmajam. He is the son of Parashara Muni, who was him, who has been born out of Parashara Muni's Atma. Avanai, Parashara Muni Uடைய Maganai, Pirandavanai, Dvitiya Vibhakti. Then Shaktehe Pautram, him who is the grandson of Shakti Munihi, and him who is the Vashishta Naptaram, who is the great grandson of Vasishta Munihi, Vyasanai. So Vyasanai, Aham Vande Vyasanai, him who, him, Apdin Varno. You should come like that. I would not use the word who, because Yaha means who. So I would not like to use that. So him only I would like to use. In Tamil it is very easy. I, Rendam Vetrumai Urubu, I. So I am worshipping the treasure house of the Tapaha, the him who is Akalmasham, sinless, him who is whose son is Shukamunihi, who is the father of Shukamunihi, who is the father of Shuka. Shuka is a parrot-faced Munihi, who he advises the Raja Parikshit Maharaja, Bhagavadamla, they are the famous, the conversation. So Shuka Munihi, father of Shuka Munihi, and him who is the son of Parasharar, and him who is the grandson of Shakti Munihi, and him who is a great grandson of Vashishtaha, Vyasanai, Aham Vande, I am worshipping. This is the meaning. Dhanyavadaha, Shwaha. Chaturtaha Pashyamaha Bhuya Tavat Shubhamangalam Dhirghayishman Bhava Sarvavyadi Nivarana Praptirastu Sarva Aishwaryam Abhivriddhir Bhavatu. Dhanyavad.